So we are going to be making a delicious sour cream and onion omelette. So for this recipe, we are going to need 2 whole eggs, a red onion and some sour cream. Now the first thing I'm going to do is chop up the red onion, and we are not going to use the entire onion, we're just going to use a small part of it. Maybe about 15 to 20 grams of red onion is all we really need. Of course, you can also use a white onion, no problem. You can even use a spring onion, that's fine. Anyway, just finely chop up that red onion and then let's get on with the eggs. So now I'm going to get a bowl and I'm going to crack both the eggs into the bowl. Anyway, I'm going to season the eggs now with some salt and some black pepper. Then in goes the diced red onion and finally the sour cream. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we've just got to beat it, as we always do with eggs. Now you want to make sure that the sour cream is at room temperature, otherwise it will not blend with the eggs well. And also you can use as many eggs as you like. I find that 2 eggs is enough for me. Anyway, once those eggs are beaten, it's time to cook them. So to cook the eggs, I'm going to get a pan on the stove and I'm using a non-stick pan. And I'm going to heat up some avocado oil, and you can use any keto approved cooking fat that you like. Once that oil is hot, we're going to pour in the beaten eggs and we're just going to let it cook. Or you can be like me and try and be all fancy and chef like and do all sorts of funny things in the pan. I'm basically sort of creating egg curds by moving some of the beaten egg and allowing it to hit the hot pan, and you can see it, just watch it. I'm playing with my food, which is not always a bad thing, you know. Now I think this is how a French omelette is made, where they sort of have all these lovely egg curds, but they don't have any color on their omelette. However, we here in India don't mind a little bit of color on our omelettes. So anyway, I'm going to cook that now, and once it's done on one side, I'm going to fold the omelette, and as you can see, it's got a lovely golden brown color on it. And I'm just going to let it cook for maybe 15 seconds more, and that's it. My egg is done and ready. So I'm going to get it off the heat, and now I'm going to serve myself that omelette in a plate. And ladies and gentlemen, that looks so good. Oh yeah. And that's it. Our sour cream and onion omelette is ready. But I can't let you go without digging into that omelette. And yup, oh man, that looks lovely, nice, fluffy, and I can't wait to dig in. But I won't, because I have to shoot the rest of this video. Haha. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. Hey folks, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and as always, you will find a link to the written recipe with macros in the video description box just below this video. And if you enjoyed the recipe, please do smash that like button, subscribe to Headbangers Kitchen for more awesome keto recipes, and hit the bell icon so you get a notification when I upload a new video. Anyway, that's enough jibber jabber. Till the next episode, cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, click here to watch another keto recipe, or click here and listen to some of my music, or watch some of my non-keto food content right here.